Hi, I'm Karen McTavish, APQS quilting instructor, and today we're going to show you swirls. So I'm going to suggest that you turn on your Quilt Glide with your swirls. It kind of gives you a boost, and you don't really feel the drag of the stitch regulator. So we're going to start doing swirls by going inside and then backtracking and then going out and in again, and then set up a whole new swirl. Now, if I really want more control over my stitch, I'm going to go into manual mode, which is me controlling the stitches. So this will make me feel smooth, and it'll go really fast, and I don't have that any kind of hesitation. It's so smooth that it's like drawing on paper. It's just like drawing with a pencil. So I don't mind going non-stitch regulated. In fact, while I'm doing the scrolls, I may increase my stitch length just so it feels a little bit more comfortable. Now we're backtracking, so swirls are going this way and they're also going that way, right? So the key here is to constantly change directions. So this way, that way. I love manual mode for doing free motion machine quilting. After a while, you might say, I don't want my stitch regulator on. I've been quilting for a little bit, so why don't I try going non-stitch regulated? And it's scary for a lot of quilters to go non-stitch regulated, but I also find that I enjoy my quilting more when I'm in non-stitch regulated. I enjoy being on the long arm and quilting all day if I want. And that is how we do swirls.